Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Pulse 4 with Android smartphone. And we can actually do it two ways. There's option to connect it using JBL Portable app and just Bluetooth on your smartphone. So we're gonna show you how to do this in these two ways. But first let's try normal Bluetooth. Open a Bluetooth on your smartphone and scroll down to the bottom. You should see available devices. Now move on to your speaker, power it on by pressing on this button once. Then enter pairing mode by clicking on the Bluetooth button. Refresh the page and you should see JBL Pulse 4. Click on it and it will be paired. Now to actually connect it with the app, let's remove it from our list like that, forget and unpair. And then let's move on and open JBL Portable app. You can download it from a Google Play Store or any other store. It should be visible there. Allow all the permission access. Now it will be searching for a product. Wait, maybe it will be found. Let's enter pairing mode at the same time. On the other side there's also a link button, maybe it will help. Seems not. So let's go for need more help and let's go for Bluetooth and try to connect it now again. So now it's connected. Let's go back to the app and now search for a product again. So it's right here. You just need to connect it with a Bluetooth to actually make it work. And now we can customize the speaker even more using the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.